Hey guys, today I want to show you about how to fix the iPhone 6s Plus have problem with the black screen middle. This one is white, this one is black. So it could be machine, not could be LCD. I might test with LCD already, but now the machine have problem. The white middle and black middle. Okay, now let's start to repair the hardware with the iPhone 6s Plus with me. This one is the board of iPhone 6s Plus. The other mechanic scale is repaired already, but the customer take it from the other scale to me. Now I repair the continue from other scale. I explain you. I will make test with the watch. The number 3 is not. The number 3 is not increased. Okay. I told you about this one is the iPhone 6s Plus with the USB dongle. Number 3 is one to this one. Now I will connect these two on this, and after I connect to this one. But I will solder this one, I remove this one because most of this problem it could be this one. So I will solder this one, connect this and to this. I will solder. So and I will the my test with LCD again, connect onto this one. Okay, please watch for me. number 3 now. Okay, now the number 3 is okay. The number 3. Okay. Now the LCD is no problem with the black line and white line. Okay. Please follow me if you have the problem. Please contact me by chat and comment also. Okay, let's start to make test on the LCD. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.